Okay, let's get into this. Or maybe not. Is this not? Ah. Oh boy. Oh wow. Look at that. Okay. What do we have here? Something about a quick start guide. Accessories box. Some stuff and things. Looks like an extra hot end. More PTF tubes. And a spool holder thingy, but I will not be using because I got it with the combo. Because that was what was available at launch. And quite honestly, I can't not have an EMS because they're pretty awesome. Okay. Oh. Yeah, nicely that folds and then pops right back open. Nice. One thing I will say about Bambu Lab is that they know how to package. Make sure that this gigantic machine is not going to get damaged in transit. Which I respect as a seller myself. Try to make sure everything I do is packaged as safely as possible for transit. Another piece of cardboard. Wow. Look at the size of this thing. Look at that beautiful screen. Oh yeah. This is gonna be cool. Okay. I know, the most riveting part of an unboxing is peeling off all the tape. Oh. Put this here. What do we have here? Nothing. My goodness. Okay, we got all this stuff out of the inside. I would have recorded it, but honestly, nobody wants to see that. Or hear the... I don't understand what's going on constantly. Look at that. Fits beautifully, obviously. Okay. AMS2 Pro. Ooh. Ah. Wowee. Okay, so in here, looks like we've got power cable, bus cable, more PTFE tubes. Something about desiccant. I'm just going to end up probably printing some for myself here. And then obviously pull this out. Surprised this didn't come with any filament. I mean, I'm not surprised, but also in a way, kind of. Okay. So let's get this plugged into the back, plugged into its own outlet. Okay. Close this, that in there. Okay. I'm assuming that's the power for the P1Ss and such. Plug that into the back. I feel like this is going to spring out on me. Oh yeah, look at that. Plug this in there so it's snug. And you that seems to be plugged in. If you just saw my stupid looking face on there, enjoy. Turn it on. So on the back of the printer, I've already pushed printer back, so I'm not gonna move it again. There's a little red safety key that needs to be installed for the printer to actually turn on. So that quick start guy that I said, oh, I'm not even gonna use, I needed it. So now we are up, running, and doing some calibration. So see what happens after calibration, and then we'll take a good look at this thing. But so far, it is absolutely beautiful. All right, we're all done calibrating. Let's get started. Yeah. I don't know if you know this, but you need filament to go in there. Let's load up this very bright green filament. Ooh. Oh. Give that a second here. This screen is just absolutely beautiful. Very nice. I can see the colors on there. Don't know what that sad little robot means. Something about updating firmware, but I will do that after I print a lime green little benchy to add to my little benchy family. Okay. Wow. Look at that. Woohoo! It sings? Awesome. Look at that. That is absolutely gorgeous. Great print quality, just right out of the box. As per usual. Alright, so we've made it to the end of this unboxing video, as painful as it was. Thank you for sticking with it, if you stuck with it to the very end. I'm very excited to add this to our Printforce army, and I'm going to go ahead and get this printer to work right away, as we have a show coming up, a back-to-back show, at the beginning of September. So it's very much needed, and very excited to have it. So thanks Bambu Lab for yet another beautiful printer to add to the family. Thanks very much, guys, and let me know if you liked it. Thanks. Bye-bye.